Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off your Samsung The Frame TV completely. So to do it without any damage to your device's settings and anything else, you simply have to hold down the power button for a couple of seconds to turn off your TV and then just unplug it from the power source. So unplug the cable that comes from the power source to your One Connect box, and this way you will turn off your TV completely and will not lose any settings when you turn it back on after plugging the cable back in to the power source. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.